Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. Boost.python is a library that allows seamless integration of C++ code with Python. It provides tools for exposing C++ classes, functions, and objects to Python and vice versa. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to use boost.python to create Python bindings for a C++ class on a Linux system. We'll also provide code examples to illustrate the concepts. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed on your Linux system: C++ compiler, example G++. You need a C++ compiler to compile your C++ code. Python development headers. You need Python development headers to compile boost.python. Boost C++ libraries. Boost.python is a part of the Boost C++ libraries. Install Boost using your package manager. Boost.python library. Boost.python headers are included with the Boost library. You don't need to install it separately. Let's create a simple C++ class that will expose to Python using boost.python. In this example, we'll create a calculator class with basic arithmetic operations. Now, we'll create Python bindings for the calculator class using boost.python. Create a Python module that exposes the class and its methods. Compile the C++ code with boost.python support. Ensure you link against the Boost libraries. Replace Python 3.8 with your Python version if it's different. This command creates a shared library, calculator_module.so, that Python can import. Now, you can use the calculator_module in Python. Create a Python script to test it. Run the Python script. You should see the following output. This tutorial demonstrated how to use boost.python to create Python bindings for a C++ class in a Linux environment. Boost.python is a powerful tool for integrating C++ code with Python, allowing you to leverage the strengths of both languages in your projects. Explore the boost.python documentation for more advanced features and capabilities. ChatGPT.